cooped up right now. The traffic is insane out there. I can't leave because the parade's right out. The parade I just showed was right out my window. I mean, it's right next to my building. It's not my building, but this building. I didn't even know there was a parade today, but there was a big parade right there, so I walked there. And then I saw Juggernaut, J.D. Vance, however you want to say it. He's J.D. Vance. He played J.D. Vance in my previous video, so he's President Vance in the parade video. He's representing the new mayor, Greg Cates. You know what I'm saying? Rightfully so. Even the dog down the street would be a better mayor. Like the dog I just saw down the street, barely alive by the trash can, would be a better mayor than the one we had. Yeah. Anyways, enough about that. Don't talk bad about dogs. I'm not. I'm just saying he'd be a good mayor. Enough said. His name would be Ralph. Ralph. I don't know. But anyways, enough about that. This video is about, my attorney got back to me. Gambit. Gambit has accepted the mantle of being my attorney. And he says to disqualify Judge Herod. Yes, he did. He said disqualify. Straight up. So we're doing it. We're disqualifying. It's the only authority and power I've had in this whole thing. In this whole thing, it's the only say I've had in the whole thing. They've just been doing whatever they want. I just show up. And I'm like, do whatever you want. Sentence me right now to 50 years. Do whatever you want. Sentence me to gunfire, death by gunfire. Do whatever you want. Every time I go to the courthouse, just like, do whatever you want. I don't even talk. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, they're going to do whatever they want, whatever. They're making up laws as we go, They're probably going to bring back the crucifixion for my case. We're bringing back the crucifixion as a death penalty just for yours truly, just for Johnny. We're bringing back the crucifixion. I'm not kidding. I don't put anything past them. But anyways, the attorney says, JR, my attorney, my main attorney. Don't tell the other attorneys that JR is my main attorney. He says disqualify Judge Herod. Judge Boyle. He's the one. He's the first judge I saw that I turned my back on. I didn't say a word. I just turned my back on him. You know what I'm saying? In front of everybody. Because I was so disrespected from the streets by the police, denying my rights. Into the jail cell, treated less than an animal. So I turned my back. I'm like, you disrespect me, I disrespect you, Judge Herod. So I did. No way. And Gambit agrees. No way is he being part of my trial. No way. He doesn't get the privilege. He's axed. The next time I see public defender, he's disqualified. I'm going to say disqualify him. And shame on you, public defender, for not bringing this up to me on the paperwork that I could disqualify. I'm like, show a little bit that you care about the trial, public defender. Show a little bit that you're not on their side, please. You know what I'm saying? Show something. You know? I'm turning to a guy that's not even a trained in law attorney, Gambit. You might be trained in law. I don't know. Only you know that. You never told me if you. I'm turning to him, because I don't trust anybody else. And his advice is sound. Disqualify Herod. So we will do that. The next time I see public defender, if he's not hiding from me like before. He's busy. He's so busy. He can't talk to me. So busy. Yeah, right. I'm busy too. I'm busy too, talking to a camera. I'm busy too, talking to JR. I'm busy too. I can play that game. I can play the I'm too busy game. Trust me. Like no other. We know that game. My whole life. Oh, we're too busy for you. We're too busy for you. Oh, everyone's too busy since age 4. Everyone's too busy for Adam since age 4 to now. Everyone's too busy. Okay, what's this thing you're too busy doing? What's so much more important than defending me in a trial? Well, pressing appointment. Yeah, I mean, like golfing with the mayor. What do you got? You know, what's so much? What's so important? You know, but I'm public defending myself out in the open. Don't you worry about that. I'm the real public defender. I'm the real public defender. It was actually an accident that I got a public defender. It was an accident. I didn't know I filled in the public defender part. It was an accident. It was. Whoops. You know what I mean? Well, they tried to rush me in the courtroom, you know, and that's part of their tactics. I was trying to read the paperwork. Always read the paperwork, you know what I mean? They're trying to screw you. You know, if they're trying to screw you and they don't care about your rights or anything, which they don't, take your time with the paperwork. Who cares about their prima donna mentality? I gotta be here when the judge is done. Forget about that prima donna and stuff. Your life's at stake. They're trying to crucify you. You know what I'm saying? Look at that paperwork thoroughly. The small print especially. You know what I'm saying? This is part of the small print that I can disqualify an alternate judge, Judge Herod, because he disrespected me big time. Yep, he did. He's not the only one, though, but out of the judges, he's the only judge that disrespected me, so he's not being part of the trial. You can bet your bottom dollar about that. So, next time public defender has the time. Next time public defender has the time to meet with me. I'll say disqualify Judge Herod. Judge Boyle. Same guy. Yeah. But same attitude. Same attitude as Judge Herod. Same thing. So he's Judge Herod. So anyways, that's what Gambit says, so that's what it goes. So he's my attorney. Don't you forget it. He's the best attorney. He's the best attorney I've ever had so far. He's the best attorney I've ever had so far. You know what I'm saying? That's pathetic, you know. And that's all I'll say for this video.